channel. My name is Eva. I do content around home styling and lifestyle. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, kindly consider subscribing, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always choosing to click and watch my videos. So today is on a Monday. It's the start of the new week. I have quite a lot of things planned. Today I'm having a shoot here in the house. It is work related, so I don't think I'll be able to do a lot of recording on that, but if I'm able to get a few clips here and there, then I will show you how it went. Otherwise, I appreciate everyone for always watching my videos. Kindly like the video, leave me a comment at the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. We are setting up for the shoot, and my sitting room was turned upside down. So we are trying to get a good angle for the interview, and as you can see, the interview went on well. I did not manage to take a lot of to shoot a big video on this because, as I said earlier, it was work related, and therefore just took a few clips to show you what was happening behind the scenes. I later went to the supermarket to do a bit of shopping, but to be honest, I was just roaming the supermarket because they were playing very nice reggae music. So I just kept on walking around. It was in the evening at around 8 p.m. So I was enjoying my shopping as I listened to music. I'm making spaghetti with meatballs. I'm making spaghetti with meatballs. So what I'm doing here is I'm browning my meatballs so that they do not come apart when I'm making the sauce. I'm making the sauce from the scratch. I usually like buying the ready-made sauce for this, but today I'm making from scratch. So I think this is done. I'm cooking. Oops. So I think this is done. I'm cooking them in a very, very low heat setting. So that when they go to the sauce, they do not break apart. It's been a minute since I did spaghetti, and I guess today is the day. So let's see how my recipe turns out. So I have my ingredients for making the sauce here. I have onion, I have garlic, I have ginger, and I'm going to blend them. And then I have tomatoes, roughly chopped. And I'm going to add a bit of water, just a little bit, to make the blending easy. To add a little bit of water. I think that's enough. So we're going to cook this mixture until it's well done, and then we can add our meatballs. The recipe is as simple as that. Our meatballs are well done. So we're gonna keep those aside, and then we're gonna take this mixture and put it in there. Then we're going to add some cooking oil. Just make sure that it cooks properly. So we will let this cook for a while on low heat. Remember, it has raw onions, raw garlic, raw ginger, raw tomatoes. So you have to give it enough time for it to cook properly, otherwise you may taste raw onions in your sauce. So I'm going to cover this up and then let it cook for a bit. Then we can come and add the rest of the ingredients. So it's been a while now. I want to check on our sauce. I think it's cooked now. Oops. A lot of smoke. With smoke or steam. So I think this is done now. I want to add some spices here. I'm going to add some salt. Then I'll add some Bolognese mix. I know we call it Royco, but this is oil. So just a little bit of the oil Bolognese mix, and then I will just do a few beef cubes just for the flavor, just to make it flavorful. I've added 3 cubes. I'll give it a dash of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very nice for sauces. It gives it a very nice flavor. And then I will add a little bit of gravy browning just to give it the brown color. Not too much, just a dash of it. I'm so used to eyeballing, so this could be just maybe a tablespoon or two of the gravy browning to remove the red color of the tomatoes and give it the brown gravy color. You see the difference? It's now turning brown. Then I'll add one more thing. So I do not have the natural yogurt, but this will still do. It is vanilla flavored, it's a bit sweet. When you add natural yogurt, always remember to add some sugar so that the sauce does not become very sour. So I'm going to just add a little bit of yogurt to give it a creamy taste. So the yogurt is going to give it some creamy taste. Look at that, it's already making a difference. So I've added like half a cup of yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice that is not very sweet. Vanilla is not very sweet, but if you have natural yogurt or the sour milk, the mala, you can add, and then just remember to add a little bit of sugar. Now this has become too white. To counter the whitish color, I will add a little bit more of the gravy browning. Now remember, this is just color, food color, so it's not a spice. It's just to improve on the color when you want your stew or your food to have that brown color. So I think that's good. So keep this in the fridge. Remember, we are cooking this sauce on a very low heat, and now we can add our meatballs. They're already cooked. I showed you I cooked them. So all we are doing is just putting them into the sauce so that they can get all the flavors So just cover them in the sauce. It's looking very nice already. Let me show you. Look at that. So we're going to cover this and leave it for about 20 minutes to simmer down, and just for the meat to get all the flavors. So this has been cooking for a while. Ooh. Look at that. So you know your sauce is ready when you start seeing the oil on top. See these oils here coming on top. That's how you know your sauce is ready. So my meatballs are still intact. The sauce is looking awesome. Look at the thickness. And it smells so nice. So we're going to now boil the spaghetti, and then we can have our meal. Spaghetti is easy to do. You just boil it, add some margarine and salt, and that's it. And then you can enjoy your spaghetti bolognese. Bolognese. Other people call it bolognese. So let's boil the spaghetti and then we can have our dinner. You have no idea what time it is right now. But well, as long as there's dinner, that's what counts. Our food is ready. Wow, look at that. Looks so yummy. The meatballs are still intact. The sauce looks nice and very flavorful. And I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me go and enjoy my dinner, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.